So this recording is to show how to use the USF library databases. So first you can just do a Google of USF library and then click on the link. That'll bring you to the home page where you can see how you can search for articles, books, videos, and even use Google Scholar, which is a scholarly version of just the regular Google that we all use just to search from. The articles is probably what you want for a course unless you have time to read a full book, but articles are preferable. I always go to advanced search. That way you have a few options instead of just having one line to type in. You have three, and then if your instructor by chance wants you to only search certain years, you can come down here and search just like in the last 5 years. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. So if I wanted to search that last 5 years, and then maybe I want to look up something about veterans, and then it'll already start populating, but I want to get even more specific. Maybe I know I want to look at the academic success of veterans. Okay, so say the first step is maybe just to look at the article title, because that'll give you some information about what the article is actually going to be about. So maybe supporting student veterans transition, that's something I'm interested in, so I would come over here and click add to my folder. Planning for veteran success, again, maybe I want to read that one. High risk drinking, no, not really interested in that. Let's keep going down. Post-secondary prep programs for veterans. So maybe those are the three that I'm going to be interested in reading and using for my paper. Then I would go back up here and you'll see this is where you can access whatever you put in that folder. So I'm going to go ahead and click on folder. And this is a nice option because it kind of saves everything in one spot. And you can email the articles to yourself. You could save them to your computer. You can even print them. I like to use the email function. That way you can access them anywhere you are. You would just put in whatever email you need. Subject, maybe I put research on veteran success. And then I can put comments. If the comment section a lot of times is what I use to search, so I used the term veterans, and then I used academic success as another search term. The only other thing I did was I did limit the years, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in there, 2010 to 2015. This way, if I read those three articles and they are not going to work for my research paper, I can always go back and complete the same search, because there's a lot of more articles available by just searching veterans and academic success within those years. The other thing to be aware of is over here, the citation format. Most classes are going to use APA. You definitely want to check your syllabus to see if it's MLA, Chicago, or APA, but those are the three most used citations. APA, this way, when you send these emails to yourself, you will not only get the article, but you will also get the citation for each article. This one will say it's going to send a PDF instead of just having the link. You'll actually get the PDF in your email too. So then I would go ahead and send that. And that's a pretty simple search. You know, it's really about the types, what the wording is that you're using. So maybe I'm not getting what I want, or I'm getting too many results. So I could add in another search technique like, let's see, like the word transition. That we already saw that in one of the articles. So maybe I'll search transition. And every time you add an additional word in the search bar, you'll see it does narrow down how many articles that you're going to get, which is good because we still have over 8,000 and we'll never be able to get through all of that. So now, if I just to show you what it looks like. This is how you would receive the article. So here is the PDF with the article. This are the comments, so just how I searched. And then down here is the actual article cited in APA format. And then that's a link back to the article. A permalink means that, you know, it should stick. Instead of just copying the URL, which may change, this permalink should be good. indefinitely. So this is just a simple way to use a search, and for more questions you can always give me a call, email, or stop by. Thanks.